Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today is today, not tomorrow. This is the best quotation for me. Why? This is the best quotation for me. If you want to do something, you find a way. If you don't do something, you find an excuse. At present time, learning English is very important for all ages of people. Everyone wants to speak English as like the fluent speaker, but they didn't take any action. They didn't dive to practice. In this video, I will share some tips, and by using these tips you can start your speaking, and you should skip your procrastination. Please stay with me until finish. When you are start to speak English, you face a problem, and this problem is shyness problem. First of all, we have to break this shyness problem. On that time, we think if we do any mistake, someone mock me or someone give negative comment in my comment box, please just skip it and you try to use simple sentence as like me. This is my laptop. I purchased this laptop from StarTech, and StarTech is one of the biggest laptop shop in Bangladesh. I use this laptop for various purposes. At present time, I'm making video and I also need to edit this video. That's why I use this laptop for video editing, graphics design, and any types of IT based activities. And here you can also notice a camera stand. I use this camera stand for making a video, and I purchased this camera stand from Gulistan. Please don't think it's a normal camera stand because it is a strong camera stand and its quality is very good. And you also see a bookshelf, and here you also notice some several types of books, especially you notice Holy Quran, and this is the best book for the Muslim Ummah. And you also notice several types of English books. Because I'm practicing English, I need to practice English, so that's why I read these books huge times, enough times, and I try to practice by using these books. And you also see there are the 4 chairs in this room, and you all can see this is the rocking chair, and I purchased this chair from the Jatrabari, and I feel comfort when I sit down this chair, and I use this chair when I making video. That's why this is my favorite chair. And you also a whiteboard. As a student, I think it's very essential for student. I take classes. If I write down to something in this board, I have to use a marker. And this is my college or the university bag. As I am a university student, that's why this is my bag. If I go outside, I take this bag. I take this bag for carry books, laptop, and etc. That's about. And you also start using as like me by using simple sentence. It's times to head off. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Hamid's Motive.